The procedure for pouring concrete in columns involves several key steps to ensure proper placement, compaction, and curing of the concrete. Below is a detailed guide. 1. Preparation. Formwork inspection. Ensure the formwork is properly aligned, clean, and adequately braced to avoid deformation or leakage. Check for tight joints to prevent concrete leakage. Reinforcement check. Verify that the steel reinforcement is placed according to the design drawings. Ensure proper cover is maintained using spacers. Cleaning. Clean the formwork and reinforcement to remove dirt, debris, and all. Access and safety. Set up scaffolding or ladders for safe access. Ensure all safety measures are in place for workers. 2. Concrete placement. Material inspection. Check the mix design and slump of the concrete to ensure it meets specifications. Placement sequence. Start pouring concrete from the bottom and work upwards. Use a tremie pipe or funnel for tall columns to avoid segregation. Layered pouring. Pour in layers of 300 to 500 millimeters 12 to 20 inches thickness. Avoid overpouring to prevent excessive pressure on the formwork. 3. Compaction. Vibration. Use a needle or immersion vibrator to compact the concrete in each layer. Insert the vibrator vertically at regular intervals. Avoid over-vibration to prevent segregation. Monitoring. Ensure the entire section is compacted without leaving voids or honeycombs. 4. Finishing. Surface leveling. Level the top surface if it will serve as a base for the next stage of construction. Chamfering. If required, finish the edges or corners to create chamfers using tools or form inserts. 5. Curing. Initial curing. Begin curing as soon as the concrete sets. Moist curing. Keep the formwork in place and wet it periodically to maintain moisture. Formwork removal. Remove the formwork after the specified time, usually 24 to 48 hours for vertical sections depending on the concrete type and weather conditions. Continued curing. Apply curing compounds or keep the concrete surface wet for at least 7 to 14 days. 6. Quality control. Inspection. Check for honeycombs, voids, or cracks after removing the formwork. Testing. Conduct slump tests, cube tests, or cylinder tests as per project requirements. By following this procedure, the column concrete pouring process will ensure structural integrity and long-term durability.